What is going on, everyone? I play one-handed back at it again with another rain.gg video. Today we got $75 in the balance. Let's see what we can turn this into. Hopefully we can turn it into a $1.50. This my referral code will be in the top of the description and also in the pinned comment. Be sure to use it for a 5% bonus on all deposits, skins, and credit cards, and any other method crypto. So without any further ado, let's just run some battles, y'all. Or join the battle. Oh, do we join that? No, not. Oh my god, these battles are so expensive. I'm gonna do a 3v3 jackpot mode. We're gonna go descend. No, ascending. We messed that up. Let's do 5 of these. Let's do. And expensive cases. So this battle cost us $48. Let's hope and pray we win this. Oh, I'm so nervous, y'all. I need this dub like really bad. Alright, sounds good. We get a rain on the first. Oh, that's the shit though. $4. Good start nonetheless. Will we make profit this video? We've been unsuccessful the last 2 times. Oh, double rains on us. Double rains is looking good. I mean, even though they're $4, that's like $8. Alright, $12 up on them already. So hopefully like these last few cases pull out like $100 plus. Oh, we got the rain, we got the rain. Oh my god, we're getting blessed with the rain today. On the cheap cases. It would play us like that. Hopefully it doesn't play us at the end. That'd be nice. So far, none of the bots down there have gotten a rain. Just gonna be moving on to the good case now. Everybody gets the same. The jackpot's only at 18, but this is where the pricey stuff comes in. Nothing whatsoever though, the rip. Nothing. Just profit, please. Come on. Oh, don't. Ah, top right. Rainbow number 1. Number 14. We all miss on that too. Let's hope we hit something. We got some bangers coming up though. Oh, he hits it. Oh, yeah, I'm scared. I have no idea what's in store in this case. More so ain't too crazy. $18. Yeah, we could beat that. One double rain up top. Double. Oh my god, the poop battle. Don't. That good to us? Oh, we won, but we fucking lost. We lost money on that fucking battle. We're at 75. Select all. We're gonna just sell this shit. And we're down fucking $6. Let's just fucking go all in. Fuck it. You know me. Jackpot mode. Ascending. We're just gonna do it like we are bound to win it like this. We're just gonna keep on adding until we get up to $69. The ways off. Hopefully we get some bangers. We got some variety up in here. We need to pull something. Alright, 68, 33. Let's swap all these with these. Quite a few over. There we go. 68, right? Jackpot. Oh, we got a player. 1v1. One player on each team, 2 bots on each team. No worries, these are cheapos. Come on, if we hit something good. Alright, triple rain. We got dub down there at the bottom though. I don't think this one pulls anything too crazy. Yeah. $3. $3. This is anyone's game. Ooh, dude. Ah, baited us. Yes, that's us, that's us. We pull something insane. $38. Let's go. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. He has a 78% of winning it by himself. Needs my teammates. So I never hit anything on this case ever. Never. Right. Oh, we got rain. We got rain. Bottom left. Alright, nice. A little cheap one. $5. He hit the good rain. Top middle bot. Jackpot sitting at 68. Split 3 ways. Come on. Nothing good there. I'm not gonna hit anything good on this case ever either. All the same. It's definitely not giving us GLs. Come on. It's rare for me to hit something in this. I think I might pull something good out of this once. That case. Come on. Oh, we got double rain, double rain. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Please be banger rains, banger rains, banger rains. Was there Sun and Leo in there? We got the Sun and Leo. He got the fucking Sun and Leo. Let's go. 30, it's $22. Oh, I thought you were gonna hit a double rain back to back. That would have been nice. Potson at 117. Oh, he gets another rain on a more expensive case. Come on, be a banger, be a banger, be like 100 plus, 100 plus, maybe, if it's possible. $7. $7. My range flew by. Alright, okay, so they're getting a little bit more price here. Nothing. Come on. What's that? 151. All the same thing again on this one, back to back. From last battle, this one, we got the same. I'll put, yes. That's gotta be good. That's gotta be good. It's gotta be good. It's gotta be good. Maybe. $13, I'll take it. 170. Oh, please don't be an insane pool. Please don't be insane. So we got blue, red, and yellow. Okay. What is that? $8? No. Yeah, $8. If we're in the pot, it's anyone's game. The bottom right bot almost had that rain, but nearly missed it. All the same item. We're getting, feel like we're getting close to the end. Alright, yep, feed us, give us more money in the pot. Alright, $20, not even too bad. Pause at 207. Can we hit a good rain towards the end? That'd be pretty dope. Alright, final 3 cases. Ooh. Alright. Still got 2 cases. Alright, that ain't worth much, I don't think. But it's daddy though. It's daddy. 240. I'll put the same last case. Come on. Oh, and it's another fucking rain. Come on. We hit a $10 pin up top. 13, 26, and 7. Yeah. Come on, bless us. I don't think that's my color. Fuck. 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 That's for damage. Gonna fucking do this, I guess. And then. Yep, there you go. There you go. Rain.gg. That's where I'm gonna get lucky one of these times. Not this time though. Yep. Well, use my promo code. I'll link it in the description. If you choose to use the site, gamble responsibly, be of 18 years of age or older, and never gamble what you can't afford to lose. And hopefully, next video we can pull something out. Wish me luck, y'all. Use my code. It would be greatly appreciated. Peace, y'all.